Ah, gotta get out from under that mask. Whoo-wee! Welcome back to the channel. We're in the next phase. That's 150 bags of blown in insulation. Friend, customer, subscriber John is here. He's gonna be the stuffer and I'm gonna be the blower up in there. So don't know how this is gonna go. It should go though fairly quickly, but yeah. And then I'm gonna put a picture up here that you'll see of I underestimated very badly the amount of trailer I would need to haul this much insulation home. So, but we made it. No tickets. Well, one spillage. We lost one soldier on the way home, or about half of one. But we're gonna get going here right away because the machine costs per hour. And yeah, we'll see where it goes. I feel like a fireman. Stop.
Okay. Well, the first 20 bags, you should get that knocked out fairly quickly, I would think. Fire in the hole! What's that? 3. Try to feed it a little slower. Okay. I'll just wait on you. You carry on. Not too dusty either, really, it looks like.
It's not too bad. You all. Look at this mask, guys and gals. Look. We're done. It's done. And no breaks. No updates. Where's my light? It's almost midnight. It took oh my gosh. They're covered in dust. It ain't as easy as some of the folks might say it is. But we got the machine all broken down. Everything's put away. I'll blow it off in the morning. Got to take it back to the greatest place on earth in the morning. We started with 150 bags of the cellulose insulation. And oh, by the way, it's supposed to be paper. But I'm telling you what, it's full of friggin' plastic, like Walmart sack plastic. And you could tell when you got from one batch to the next batch, it was either better or worse. One was really bad, just chunks of stuff, clogging up the blower and all kinds of goodness. But let's jump up here. And I mean, it's not like you'll be able to see a lot, but you'll be able to see a little bit. Oh dang, oh, I almost dropped my light. There we go. So we might not have hit R50. Lights, please. But we got a blanket, probably mostly 10 inches thick to 11. And life is good. It's very cold up here now because we're in the attic space. And it's done. We'll make some walls around this hole. I left a little berm here, and we'll shovel that up against. We'll make some rises around our access hole here. But yeah, one heck of a job, guys and dudettes. Let's go down here now. I do have good news. Oh, the good news is that flipping job is done. The gooder, more gooder news is that the heating guys came by today and dropped off our radiant heater. It's here. And the even better, more gooder news is, I gotta get out from under that mask. Whoo-wee! Oh, I'm a little dusty. The best news of the day is heating guys are coming back in the morning to get to work. So within, it's a Tuesday-ish right now, potentially we'll have heat by the end of this week. Cross your toes on that one. That's in for this video. Quick little one of the insulation phase. I don't know what number we're on anymore, but insulation is done. And that was the last big, hurt your back, sweat, get dirty, filthy dirty, and hurt for a couple days after job. We should be pretty easy after that. We do have to stay up even later because the heat, as I've told you before, is going to run right here. So this stuff has got to go that way. We'll get that done, and then we'll shower, and then it's time for bed. Thanks for the subscribes, the watches, the likes, the comments. Let us know what you think. Catch you on the next video.